Okay, another little geometric series example. This time, notice they list some terms out and then we have a final term. So let's show our relationship again. So S sub n equals first term 1 minus r to the n all over 1 minus r. Let's show what we know. So first term, hey, we've got that. That's 4, no problem. R. Well, 4, 12, 36, what are we doing? Oh, we're multiplying by 3 each time. So we know what R is. Do we know what N is? They don't tell me. Like the previous example, they said add up the first 6 terms, right? So this is our last term here, but I don't know which term it is. So we're going to go back to our previous lesson where we figured out the nth term for geometric sequences. And so nth term is the first term times r to the n minus 1. And we're going to solve this. We're going to figure out what n is. So let's plug in what we know. So 78, 732, that's the nth term, equals the first term times r to the n minus 1. So now we have a little equation we could solve. We've done logarithms, so we could solve this with a log if we want. Honestly though, quickest thing, just go graph it. And so if you've got a graphing calculator, Desmos.com, you could download a Desmos app on your phone maybe. And so I like using it on the computer better, it's easier to see, but I went ahead and put this on my phone so I could just show you. So I just typed in, I subtracted this over so they'd be on the same side. It would make the graph equal 0, and it crosses at 10. Okay, that's all I wanted to illustrate. So n equals 10. Now that we know that, we're good to go. We can use this formula. Let's plug things in. Let me just come down here. So S sub 10 is 78, 73, ooh, what am I doing? First term, 4 times 1 minus 3 to the 10th all over 1 minus 3, okay? And again, we could simplify that just a little bit. So 4, this would be negative 2, so that'd be the same as negative 2 times 1 minus 3 to the 10th. And now, let's go plug in the calculator. And so we get negative 2 times 1 minus 3 to the 10th power. And it's a pretty big number, 118,096. So if we add up all those terms, we would get 118,096.